How is your day going so far? My name is Evgen. I work at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, a local Canadian appliance repair company. It's time to fix Maytag appliances. Today I will show you how to enter the service mode of the Maytag MHW6000XG2 washing machine. Using the service mode, we can view the error codes stored in memory and perform a full check of all components of the washer without disassembling it. Let's go. The washer must be connected to the power supply to activate the service menu, but not turn it on with the power button. Without long pauses, press the three buttons: temp level, soil level and spin in turn. You must press the buttons until 3/8 appear on the display. If the washer has ever had problems, then after 5 seconds it will show the error code recorded in its memory. In my case, the error code F05E02 was displayed on the washer display. This code indicates that the washer door is open or there is a problem with one or more components of the washer: the door lock, wiring, contacts, or the main control board. If the display shows only 3/8, this means that there are no error codes in the washer's memory. To view more errors, press the spin speed button and the following error code will appear on the display. Press the button and view the error until they start repeating. To exit the service menu is easy. Press the power button. The washer will turn off. Automatic diagnostics of all units of the washer. Activate the service menu of the washer in the same way as I showed earlier in this video. After entering the service menu, press the soil level button and hold it until the sound signal, about 5 seconds. At the same time, the LED in the Start Pass button will start flashing. Press the Start Pass button and the C00 symbol will appear on the display. The washer will lock the door and go into the water drain mode. Following presses of the Start button switch the diagnostic modes: filling with water using different valves, drum rotation, heating, draining and spinning. If the mode does not switch, this means that not enough time has passed to check the current testing process. If a malfunction of one of the components of the washer is detected, the display will show an error code including the symbols F and E and the corresponding numerical values of the error code. To exit the automatic diagnostics, simply press the power button. The washer will turn off. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about the Maytag washer entering the service mode, questions about error codes, or questions about any other appliances, leave comments and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.